Good evening. I am so glad that you're interested in learning more information about how you can earn a residual income from home. I am a retired attorney and a stay-at-home mom to four lovely children, two girls and two boys. And along with my husband, I have the awesome privilege of serving in our church's ministry. So I was excited to be able to find an opportunity that would allow me to focus the bulk of my attentions on all of the passions that I have, but also provide income for me as I am doing that. And come to find out, when you have a set of skills in any type of industry or business, those skills are transferable and you can use it to create an income of your own from home. So I take great joy in showing other savvy business women how to transition from their corporate careers and use that vast bank of skills, knowledge, and expertise that they have to work an amazing business from home and use those skills to teach other men and women how to do the same. And the joy, the excitement, the fulfillment, the happiness that it brings me to be able to help other people discover their passion and become debt free is what just keeps me going. So I would love to be able to share more with you. Please use that contact form here on this site, and I'm looking forward to chatting with you soon. Take care.